Hi, welcome again. In this lesson, we will see how to resolve the merge conflicts on GitHub. So let us start our practical work. In order to show how to resolve the merge conflicts, let us create a branch with the name test and then make a change to the file example8 from the test branch. Currently, we are on the test branch. Let us make a change to the file example8 with a value a is equal to 700 and then come with the message added a is equal to 700 from the test branch. Again, make one more change with the value b is equal to 500 and then come with the message added b is equal to 500 from test branch. Now switch to the main branch and make a change to the file example8. Here I would like to make a change with the variable a is equal to 800 and with the commit message updated a is equal to 800 from the main branch and then make a commit. Now it is our time to make a merge from the test branch onto the main branch. Let us go back to our Git training version 1 repository. Once we are ready to make a merge, then we need to click on compare and pull request. It will open the page as opened in the case of earlier merge, but here if we observe the compare branch headline with the main and test, we can find the red color statement that cannot automatically merge, but still we can create the pull request. So here I am entering a message to create a pull request. Added the variables a and b from test and main branch. Optionally, we can also leave a comment and also we can attach a files. So I am not going to do that. Once you enter the message and then the optional comment, then click on create pull request. Once we click on it, we will find a new message saying that this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. So click on the resolve conflicts button and then proceed. It will open a new editor with the detailed codes what we have entered from both the test and main branches. This was the scenario as we have seen in the previous lessons in our Visual Studio Code editor. Now it is our time to choose which line of codes we want and which one to ignore or delete in order to keep the project updated. So here I am going to delete the variable created from the main branch, that is a is equal to 800, and keep the variable created from the test branch, that is a is equal to 700. And add a comment that retain value of a is equal to 700 from test branch. Once we do the finalization, then click on the button marked as resolved. And once again, click on the button merge commit. Now we can see the statement this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. Now click on the merge pull request and finally confirm the merge. So we have successfully merged and conflicts have been resolved, and finally the test branch is ready to be deleted. So click on the delete branch. So click on the delete branch button, and once we click on that button, the test branch will be deleted safely. If we want that branch in our repository, we can restore it from this button, but I am not going to do that here. Additionally, we can also leave a comment why we have deleted that branch, or we can also leave a comment about the status of the repository and other details about the branches or developers. Now if we check the commit history, we will see all the recent commits made from the different branches along with the merge commit which has been created from the GitHub while merging the branches. Okay, congratulations. Now we have learned how to resolve the merge conflicts on GitHub remote repository when working with the projects. So let us see more about contributing to the Git repository on the open source projects, and for that, see you in the next lesson.